Ladies and gentlemen, we all know that size does indeed matter. Size defines if something feels right and if it's worth looking at or if it makes us uncomfortable. We need the right size for almost everything. Imagine your car is too small or your banana is not the right size to satisfy your needs. And let me tell you, I know what I'm talking about. I tried to make a VR game where a banana is grabbable. You perverted pricks. I know what you're thinking. Today's asset is called RealSize and it completely removes the need of using the Unity scales. Kind of. If you don't know how to use Blender, like myself, you download and import a wide variety of different 3D assets. But keeping the size of them consistent is hard and sometimes almost impossible. And that sucks, especially if you are creating a VR game. But RealSize makes this really easy. You're also able to create your own measurement system. So for all the Americans out there, you can use your hot dogs per football field. I'm still gonna stick with the metric system though. But let me show you a quick example. And wowzers, you also get a 2-in-1 deal today. I combined multiple 3D assets, but most importantly, for my VR player I used the asset AutoHand. More about that asset in another video. But as you can see, the size of the different cars are horrible wrong. But the Unity inspector shows that all 3 sizes on X, Y and Z are 1. So this is where RealSize comes into play. I searched for the measurements of the real life counterparts and we're gonna apply them with the metric system. Cause I won't take off my shoes to measure with my feet. But you can try to hit the subscribe button with your feet. And for an extra challenge, try the like button as well. So let's start with the Ford Mustang. A height of 1381 millimeters, length of 4784 millimeters, and a width of 1916 millimeters. Next we adjust the Nissan 370Z lookalike with a height of 1320 millimeters, a length of 4240 millimeters, and a width of 1850 millimeters. And last but not least, the fake Mercedes-Benz C-Class, a height of 1437 millimeters, a length of 4751 millimeters, and a width of 2033 millimeters. And now look at that. The cars feel like they have the right size. But as you can see as well, the Unity scales are completely wrong and make no fucking sense at all. If you are using different 3D assets or your 3D artist is an idiot, use this asset to have some kind of size comparison for all your stuff. So now go and measure your car, basketball or your PP as if I would care. But please don't release a game about your schlong. But that's all for today. I go back to bed to miss my upload schedule once again. See you maybe on Friday. Bye.